Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Sadi Muqtadir, editor of Canadian Manufacturing. 2022 was an exciting and interesting year in the world of manufacturing as the industry tries to rebound from the global COVID-19 pandemic. The year began with promise as startups and advanced manufacturers began reinvesting in Canada in an effort to diversify their supply chains and rely less on trade with Asia or experience disruptions due to protests or global unrest. Companies like LoopCycle, a UK-based startup involved in the Canadian Accelerator Program, and Think DataWorks, an AI company working with Canadian OEM Martin Ray International, are two strong examples of this. Sustainability and reducing emissions were another strong theme for Canadian manufacturers this year, evident in the way fledgling advanced manufacturers like Evercloak are receiving funding from NRCan and the federal government for innovative ideas around climate-friendly products. The sustainability push from the federal government was shown at the 2022 Globe Forum when Prime Minister Trudeau announced an $8.9 billion commitment to promote clean tech initiatives to reach net zero by 2050. This was also highlighted again with the 2022 single-use plastics ban announced in the summer. Manufacturers that weren't already ahead of the curve were left to adjust to the federal ban. The other major stories of the year included a baby formula shortage south of the border, affecting manufacturing operations even in Quebec, and a continual children's Advil and ibuprofen shortage, which is still an ongoing issue. Canadian manufacturing was finally able to tour plants and facilities with the ease and restrictions and was excited to take a walkthrough of Burloak Technologies in Oakville, Ontario, Aria Vents Inc. in Toronto, and Coca-Cola Canada Bottling in Brampton, Ontario, and we look forward to touring more in 2023. IMTS, the largest manufacturing trade show in the world, finally returned this year in 2022 and was no disappointment, welcoming close to 90,000 people in Chicago, Illinois for 5 days of exhibitor talks and industry information. The innovation and new technologies present across Canadian manufacturing continues to position these businesses in a promising position for the future, and we look forward to bringing you more breaking news stories from the world of manufacturing in 2023.